Me, it's like when I'm using Waze or something, like I can literally watch the battery percentage go down.
Yeah.
Just in the 2 minute, you know, I'll run it for half an hour and it's like, well, there goes 30% of my battery. I got bored yesterday. I went to the Carrefour, like the parking building.
Yeah.
It's closed even when they're open.
Yeah. Since that thing that happened.
Yeah. Well, like.
Burnouts and everything.
Well, I thought it was like when you were talking about it, I thought it was like, you know, people had gone there overnight, so they closed it when, like, you know,
open,
yeah, like when they're not open and there's nobody parking there, they closed it. Well, the ground level's still open, so I just went into the back where nobody was parked and just took some pictures. Well, yeah, I've been trying to figure out of like places where to go and take pictures and. I'm trying to find like places to go. I have no idea. Like I'm trying to find a place like say in Montreal. I don't know. Do you follow? There were all the guys that that ran with like with Chris.
Yeah.
Like they, you know, they took a bunch of shots under some like overpasses and stuff. It came out really nice. I've been editing a bunch of the pictures that we took the other night there. Yeah. Yeah, on Lightroom. They're coming out pretty good. 102. I don't know if my bike's off or what. Because the other day I was with Gab and I could see on his dash how fast he was going, and he was going, say, it was showing 5 kilometers more than me. But I was like, yeah, I don't know. Well, that was it. Like we were going somewhere, and I was like, I don't know if it's my bike that's off or. I hope Sunday ends up being nice, like it was supposed to be, because it's pretty like it could be one of my last big days to ride.
You're leaving?
Yeah, I leave on Monday or Tuesday. Probably Tuesday.
But you should revisit your bike, bro.
Nah.
But yeah. Because July is one of the most expensive months.
I pay for my plates every 2 months. Like it's it's like $117 every 2 months.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sure like on like the front of the Place Belle would be a decent place to take pictures.
On the other side?
Yeah, on the other side, like just on the sidewalk or whatever. I'm gonna have to start carrying my camera around with me again.
Yep.
Like I was looking at all the pictures we took the last time there, and I was like, if I had brought my camera to that, the pictures would have looked so much better.
Yeah.
Like they didn't look bad to start with.
No, iPhone is good, but not as good as a camera, man.
No. I was about to ask how much farther is it, and then I turned my head.
Watch out for the cars.
Yeah. What are you coming to look at?
I ordered some cars for my girlfriend.
Oh, nice. So, do you think he's from Morocco?
Yeah, he is. I know him.
Oh, okay.
I was actually about to grab a picture and send it to him.
Where's his shop?
It's in Montreal. On the other side is in north, so like Coin.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Okay. people don't know how to drive. I know what you mean. You just want to get, like, come here just to get through and then cut over.
Yeah, we gotta go left 2 times.
Yeah. I was only going to do it if you did it. I heard you do it first, so.
Yeah, I did it so you can do it. Alright,
Yo.
fuck this traffic, alright? Follow me.
Okay.
We're going right. Alright, you should have fucking stayed in there, you bitch.
Yeah.
I go like ready?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. See you, episode.
You too. Have fun.